it's lunchtime already. We have another lunch here. I'm gonna use the Planet Box launch today. And in there, this is the first time we're doing that this year. We're gonna give him some mini pizzas. So I took some of the mini naan bread that you'll find in grocery stores, put some tomato sauce on there, some cheese, and then today I added some mushrooms just to kind of get the vegetables in. I have 3 of those. With that, I have some blueberries, some veggie straws, and then just for a treat, I have an Oreo cookie. For his snack time, we are going to give him some raisins, and then he has his thermos of milk here with him. So we will see at the end of the day what he brings back. I think he'll love this meal. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm pretty excited about today's lunch. We haven't done this one yet for school, but we did in the past and he loved it. We're doing breakfast for lunch today, so I'm using the Bentgo kids box. Inside today, I have some mini waffles, and this is a cup of syrup. This is kind of a big cup, but it needed to be wide enough for him to be able to dip it, so I'm using that. With that, I have a banana that I haven't peeled yet, but he'll be able to do that himself. And then I have some sausage here. This is maple sausage. That's a patty, so I just cut it into squares and I gave him a little pick so he could eat with that. These are Green Giant veggie tots. They're broccoli and cheese. They're this one, in case you guys have never seen them. They're so delicious. So they have broccoli, show you broccoli and cheese. There's no potato in it, but that will be like his vegetable. And then I have a treat for him. I just gave him a little Hershey Kiss, and then he has his multivitamins in here. For his snack today, we're just gonna give him some goldfish in this cute little Lego container. I got this at the Dollar Tree under the party favor section. So that, if you guys wanna look for those, are really cute. And then a thermos of milk. So that's what he's eating today. Hopefully he likes his breakfast for lunch idea, because he's always liked it in the past. But we'll see at the end of the day what he eats. Have a good one. Bye. Hey little monsters, so for lunch today we are going with the Yum Box Original, and inside the bento box I am doing a DIY Lunchables. So I have here some butterfly butter cookies. These are from Pepperidge Farm. To that I have some salami and some turkey that I cut up into slices, and then I just skewered onto these little kebabs. And these are dinosaur pics. They're really cute. I have some grapes here. I have some cherry tomatoes for the vegetable. And then I also have a few skewers of cheese that I cut into pieces as well. For dessert, we have 2 Oreo cookies, and that's gonna be for lunch. Snack time, I'm just gonna give him a little container of popcorn. And we have a thermos of milk, and then I'm also going to give him an extra bottle of water just because he has popcorn and he also has PE and whatnot today, so I think he will need that as well. Thanks for watching. We're going to see what he finishes at the end of the day. Bye. Hey, so we have another simple lunch today. We are using the Planet Box. This is the Rover. Switch the magnets up a little bit here, and inside for lunch today we got the main meal are these turkey and cheese skewers. So I took basically 1 piece of bread, I cut it in half, and then I layered it with turkey and with cheese, and then I cut them into squares, and then I put them on these skewers so that Brandon can eat them as like little mini sandwiches. I have some Cheez-It squares in here, a little container of some M&Ms for dessert, some multivitamins for him as usual. And then instead of doing vegetables today, I was gonna put lettuce in here and I completely forgot. And then now that I made this, I don't feel like taking it apart. So I'm just gonna do double fruit instead today. So I have a clementine that I peeled and some grapes as well. That's gonna be for lunch. We got the thermos here for the drink. I have an additional bottle of water because for snack time, I'm just gonna give a stick of yogurt. So that is what is for lunch today. We will see what he brings back and if he finishes everything. Have a good one. Bye guys.